Restoration Sunday.
Restoration Sunday.
Somebody say Restoration Sunday.
Restoration
Somebody
Sunday.
say my glory is going to be restored.
My glory is going
My money is going to be restored.
My man is going to be
My
restored.
happiness is going to be restored.
My happiness is going to be
Somebody say
restored.
glory.
Glory.
Now here this Zechariah chapter number 1, verses number 21. The Bible said, I said, what are these coming to do? So it said, these are the horns that scattered Judah. Atinali kwishe kuli na ngefu ni finshi. And then atile kuli no kwa aya masengo aya pasanganya Judah. So that no one could lift his head. Are you here? Atsola takulunge nyoto apa Judah na kali. What a damage. Someone say what a damage. Someone say what a damage. When Israel went in exile, when Israel was scattered, when Israel went into Babylon, when Israel was suffering, people thought Israel is suffering, yet there were some walls that which were raised against Israel. Why am I saying what I mean against Israel? Now, follow me closely. A horn symbolizes power. A horn symbolizes kingship. A horn symbolizes power. Atisengo lemina kwa ufumu. Isengo lemina kwa maka. So kwa ya maka alifo ayapasangenye Judah. Are you here? Are you here? Kwa ya maka amasengo ayapasangenye Judah. To an extent, takuya wanga munya Judah again. Maybe that may be your situation where maybe they have destroyed your life to an extent that no one can bring your head up. I am here as a craftsman. The Bible says craftsmen are coming who are going to destroy these horns. Meaning I'm a craftsman, never put out a famous and and today Jehovah sent me as a craftsman to come and destroy those